First things first, I want to say a very big welcome back to everyone that has been following this channel for a very long time. It's been a while. I stopped posting due to some reasons, but now I'm finally back. I held a class around last month. I was planning to upload the videos, but the videos crashed. But don't worry, I'm going to remake those videos. Even though I'm not going to remake the classes, I'm going to remake the videos, upload it for you guys so you can have something beautiful and amazing to watch. So right back, I'm fully functional, and in today's video I'm going to be looking at the crypto market, and I'm going to be looking at the top 6 cryptocurrency altcoins for either a futures trader or a normal spot trader that just wants to buy and hold this altcoin. So without further ado, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and make sure you turn on notifications so you can get notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. By the way, also drop a like as we proceed. First things first, I'm gonna be saying, when is the bull run going to start? Because that is the very big question in this scenario. But for me, I might say the bull run has actually started, or we are in the bull run right now, because in fact, bull run has started since way back. Do you understand? Bull run has started since way back, but we are still in that season, and there has not been huge spikes, as we always see earlier. But to me, I would say the bull run has started, and some of you might have missed it. So for those that still want to partake or want to look for long positions, this is a very good video for you. All right. So first things first, what I'm seeing here on my screen, the highest point here is 122k for BTC, 122,683. So that's the next high we are going to hit. Price is surely going to hit there, surely definitely going to hit there. But we'll be looking at other key levels, because that's the first key level on Bitcoin USDT. The next key level is here. I'm seeing a very interesting key level here, because this is what I always teach everyone. I always teach key levels, support and resistance key levels. Those zones are very strong zones. So this is a very strong key level here, because we can see there's sort of rejection over here, and price has rejected from this key level, moving to the upside. So the next key level is here. I think I shared this one with everyone in my VIP group. Yes, I shared it with everyone. This is amazing. This is a very strong key level also. So right now we're in a good range. You can trade these ranges 3%, and then you can also trade up to this point, that is 5%, for those that want to buy and hold for this short period of time. So you can just look for buying opportunities around this side. For me, I might say this has hit already. I might just wait for price to come back into this zone, probably retest this zone well, because this is a nice retest, but I want it to come back, because this is just a week, might be as a result of news. So I come back to this retest, look for a very good entry here, and then I take the longs. This is for futures traders, even sports traders also. But at this point, I don't think sports should be good for altcoins with big market cap like this, because when you look at the market cap of BTC, it is gone. That's gone wild. So it wouldn't make sense to start looking for holding positions here, only if you are a whale. Only if you are looking to deposit like 100k, 200k for some reasonable gains. But if you are just trading, a day trader, you don't have much capital as a whale, I recommend you do intra trade like this. But in upcoming videos, I'm going to be talking about other altcoins that you guys can trade and hold for the long time, even if you are not a whale. All right. So up next, I'm going to be looking at Solana. We're also in an uptrend over here. As you can see, there's a very good uptrend here. I was trying to look for Bitcoin market cap. It should be around 1 trillion or 2 trillion. So imagine you putting $10 and expecting X2. That is like 4 trillion, which is unrealistic for your portfolio. So it doesn't really make sense to be expecting X1 or X2 or X5 on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. Only if you are a very big holder like a whale. Okay. I'm expecting this one to load up, but it's not coming up. We'll be looking at market cap in a minute. Solana also, I always look to target the highs. These are key levels, because these are strong key levels that price would surely retrace back into. Also in future videos, I'll be looking at opportunities to short, but today let's look at longs, because it's looking like the bull run is about to get started, but we should also be aware that price can also dip. So let's take this next key level here. I love what I'm seeing here. So this one now is good for shorts. Okay, this one is good for shorts. These are good price reactions over here. And then the next key level I'm going to be talking about is here. So there's a strong resistance here that might push markets to the downside. So what I'll be expecting here is wait for market to break out from this zone here. Wait for market to break out from this area, wait for it to retest, and then you look for your buys. So your buys are going to be from you are looking at good 20, you are looking at 16% gains on Solana right now. So we're looking at 16% gains on over here from the breakout of this resistance zone. This is a very good zone, but also for the shorts, like I said, I'm not doing short for this video, but for those that love to short for futures trading, this is also a good zone to take a short trade. But to take a long trade, you wait for a breakout here. But to take a short trade, you wait for a confirmation here and then take your shots. So right now I'm using the long analysis. I don't want to follow shorts for now. In other videos, we'll be looking at how I'm explaining the shorts analysis. Okay, and some of you might be asking, what about forex videos? Don't worry, I'll be posting both forex and crypto videos all together. And something I noticed about Ethereum, we are currently on Ethereum right now. Ethereum didn't really dip. Ethereum didn't really dip, and it didn't really follow price action. As you can see, it didn't really follow price action. So what I'll recommend is wait for a fundamental event to occur, probably a news concerning crypto, a bullish news, then buy Ethereum. Because what I've noticed so far is that Ethereum has not been following technical analysis, and it has been bullish. So try to wait for a retracement, just like this one here. This is a very good retracement, but same thing can happen here again. Then after the retracement, then you can look for fundamental events, fundamental news that will push price up, and then you stack your Ethereum. So I don't like trading fundamentals. For those that know me, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you smash that like button. Up next is Doge. Doge is also very bullish. It started well actually with the Elon Musk and Donald Trump Doge departments, but right now I really don't know how far that is going. But technically, I'm also seeing just one key level here right now, and it's not really interesting. Okay, so far I'm not really seeing anything interesting here. These are zones that push price to the upside. You can just wait for price to retrace into this zone, then you look for your buying opportunities. So where are the next buying trends? This is the first key levels. This is the first key level, and then this is the next key level. These are levels that it's very sure, 100% sure price is coming back to hit this level. I'm very sure about that. It might take a long time, it might not be today, but it is surely going to hit those levels, because those are key levels. These are highs that price have rejected from. So wait for price to come back to this support area, first key level and second key level. This is for the longs. Then for the shorts, I'll be making another video entirely, because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to explain, look at the key levels and look at the positions, opportunity to go long. Up next, we have Ondo Finance. I really love this altcoin so much because it's a very good project. It's a pioneer project, and they have a very strong utility. They have strong utility, they have strong fundamentals, and they have strong use case. So that is why I've been on this pair for a very long time, and as you can see, it has been very bullish so far. Only just this little retracement, and price is going to for sure cover back that retracement with some bullish movements. So I don't want us to miss out on any of those moves. Let's return this back. I don't want us to miss out on any of these moves. So that is why I'm looking at Ondo, and that is why I've added it to my watch list. Okay, so this is the first key level here, very good level, and also price is currently on the strong key level here. Price is currently on the strong key level, just like I explained on Solana. Here, once there's a breakout, you can look for a buying opportunity. But right now on Ondo USDT, this is Ondo Finance, there is a breakout already, but I'm not really interested in this breakout. This is not the kind of breakout I look for. There are some kinds of breakout I look for that my students know about. So if you want to join my mentorship, this is where I share live updates with every one of my students, and this is where I take good trades. You can see good trades with good withdrawals. Withdrawal has been approved, and take good trades, sets up, then you can see withdrawal. So this is proof that whatever I'm doing here is working and everyone is benefiting. This is the channel where I send signal, and then this is the group even where these are my student trades. You can see. So this is enough proof that we are in a working situation. All right, so if you are interested in joining, it's just 50 USD. Just DM me. My link is in the description. Chat me on WhatsApp, Telegram. I'm going to respond to you. Okay, 50 USD lifetime offer. So yeah, I'm waiting for the breakout right here. My students know what I'm looking for here. So this is a very good setup. I love what I'm seeing here. So I can see rejection zones here. If I'm trading futures, I don't have issues because this should be around 5%. You can see 8%. Okay, so that is one. And this is the next rejection zone. Okay, I love this rejection zone more now, but this is very interesting, right? This is the first zone, 8%. Okay, let's say 6%, and then second zone, second zone should be around 15%. Okay, so this is a good trend that price is ready to buy. So for those that are interested, you can start stacking or start looking for your buying opportunities, start looking for your entries, and then you are good to go. So don't forget also that price can also give you a fake out and sell off. Okay, so in recent situation of fake out, also there are also things you need to look out for, but I won't be explaining everything in depth for that right now, probably in next videos, or I don't think I'll be doing that also on the free channel over here. You can see Ripple is breaking out crazily, and if I was online here, I've not been really on crypto. I can see a nice key level here, but I'm not keen on this guy. You can see there's a breakout here now. There's a breakout here, exactly what I've been explaining. There's a breakout, and then boom, just like that, this one has gone. So waiting for Ondo to do its thing. You can see TP1 has been hit right now. This is live, as you can see, even though I didn't take the trade, but exactly what I was explaining about the breakout, and boom, just like that. So this is around 5%. So for those that are still up to buy more, wait for price to retrace back into this, which I doubt it would do. Price might not want to retrace back into this zone. This is the zone. You might wait for a good retracement, since this is a key resistance level. So price might want to drop, retrace, and go to the next zone, or just continue inside this range. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna be stopping today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let us see the current market cap of Bitcoin. It is currently not loading, but it's around 2 trillion. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments. Let me know. I'll be watching and I'll be replying everyone. So that will be all for now. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.